A teenager in Livingston Parish got into a fight with a coyote protecting her animals.
News 2's Destiny Beasley reports.
I'm not a very lucky person, and in this situation, I got extremely lucky.
It was a miracle that Lainey Mitchell escaped a fight with a coyote with these scars. Mitchell says she was at her home in Holden and noticed her horses running from a pond levee, and that's when her dog ran towards her.
She ran under me and started getting under my legs and like growling, but she never really does that unless she's provoked. And then I saw it come out, and I knew she was going after my dog, so I grabbed her and I threw her. And then all the horses started running. I was like, I'm screwed.
Thinking quick on her feet, Mitchell says she grabbed the coyote by its snout, wrangling it. But she says her work training dogs gave her good instincts about what to do.
I'm glad I thought it was a dog at first and not a coyote, because I probably wouldn't have thought the same way.
Even after the fearless face-off, Mitchell says it wasn't easy.
My whole face was bruised because I threw it over and it hit its back, but its whole body hit my face.
And after defeating a wild animal, she says she would not do it again.
Like my mom even told me, she's like, don't get cocky, because next thing you know, like, you're screwed if this happens again, because you're going to think you're the best thing ever.
Destiny Beasley, WBRZ News 2.